Hiking in London Club in Hampton Court Circular. The Hampton Court Circular Walk is an absolute must for hiking enthusiasts in the UK. This 7.5-mile trail takes you through some of the most beautiful parks and gardens in the area, including Home Park, Bushy Park, Longwater, Water Gardens, Lion Gates, Chestnut Avenue, Woodland Gardens, and Diana Fountain. The hike begins and ends at Hampton Court Station, making it easily accessible for everyone. The difficulty of this trail is moderate, making it suitable for a wide range of hikers. However, there are some steep hills and uneven terrain along the way, so be sure to wear sturdy walking shoes and be prepared for a bit of a challenge. Getting to the starting point of the Hampton Court Circular Walk is easy, as Hampton Court Station is serviced by both train and bus. For those coming from London, the South Western Railway offers direct trains to the station, which take only 35 minutes. If you prefer to take the bus, the 111 route will take you directly to the start of the trail. When it comes to clothing, it's important to dress for the weather, as the UK climate can be unpredictable. Be sure to bring layers, a waterproof jacket, and comfortable walking shoes. You may also want to pack sunscreen and a hat in case the sun decides to make an appearance. This trail has a rich history, with Hampton Court Palace serving as the starting point. The palace was originally built for Cardinal Wolsey in the early 16th century, and was later taken over by King Henry VIII. The route takes you through some of the beautiful gardens that surround the palace, including the Long Water, which was designed by none other than Sir Christopher Wren. As you make your way through the Woodland Gardens, be sure to keep an eye out for the Jubilee Oak, which was planted in 1977 to commemorate Queen Elizabeth II's Silver Jubilee. Another must-see attraction along the route is the Diana Fountain, which was created in 1637 and is one of the most beautiful landmarks in the area. After completing the hike, be sure to visit one of the many restaurants and pubs in the area. The Mute Swan, located just a short walk from the finish line, offers a great selection of food and drinks, making it the perfect spot to relax and unwind after a long day of hiking. Overall, the Hampton Court Circular Walk is an excellent choice for hikers of all skill levels. With its beautiful scenery, rich history, and easy accessibility, it's no wonder why this trail is so popular among locals and tourists alike. So, grab your walking shoes, pack a picnic, and get ready to experience one of the most beautiful hikes in the UK.